Good day everyone. For today, we're gonna solve for loop current method. First is R1 is 25 ohms, R2 48 ohms, R3 49 ohms, R4 54 ohms, R5 53 ohms. So when solving loop current method, first we need to solve for loop number 1. So the formula is volt minus R1 I1 minus I3 minus R2 I1 minus I2 I1 minus I2. So distribute the value after factoring, we need to determine the same I1, so that 50 48 70 negative 70 and RI2 is negative 48 equals 0. After adding both I1, we have 73 ohms for I1 and 48 ohms for I2 minus 48 ohms for I3 equals 0. So after transposing equals 15 volts. After solving for loop number 1, we now move to loop number 2. First, R2 times I1 I2 minus I1 plus R3 times I2 minus I3 plus R4 times I2. So we just distribute the value and factor. After factor, we just need to find we just need to add I2. So the equal is 151, and that is for the loop number 3. Our formula is R1 times R3 minus I1 plus R3 times I3 minus I2 plus R5 times I3. So we just need to distribute the value. So 25 times I3 minus I1 plus 49 times I3 minus I2 plus 53 times I3. So we just need to distribute our R so that we can now have this, and we just need to add the same I3 So we can have 127 I3, and that is for our loop number 2. After solving for each loop 1, 2, and 3, now we move on to matrix method. So we just distribute the first loop, second loop, and third loop. So theta is equals to 700,000, 20,065. And for theta 3, we just need to edit the last flow to its equals per volts. So theta 3 is equals to 91,905. For the final part, it is you need to solve for I3. So theta 3 over theta. So distribute the values 700,000 to 120,065 over 91,905. So I3 is equal to 7.83 amps.